it's Brittany, and it is October. It is Halloween time. So today's video is going to be all about a DIY Rey costume from Star Wars. So basically this costume was just stuff that I had in my house and in my possession originally. So this costume is based off of Rey in The Last Jedi, and I guess coming up in The Rise of Skywalker, when she kind of looks a little bit different. She originally has her 3 buns, and her costume is a little bit lighter colored, so this is more of the darker colored Rey. We'll see what happens with her in the next episode. So first and foremost, the base of the costume is actual like clothes. So the clothes that I had already was the shoes, which are brown boots, and mine are a little bit lighter brown than the ones that she has in her costume, but I think it still works. She has gray pants. Mine are a little bit lighter gray as well, but they still work. I basically just took stuff out of my closet that I already own, so hopefully you have stuff similar to me and you don't have to go buy anything, which is the point. So the third thing that I really had as the base was a brown t-shirt, and this is actually my husband's brown t-shirt, so I stole it out of his closet because I didn't have anything that exact color brown, so this is kind of a close brown as I could get. So the things that really make the costume are her armbands, and these are literally just Ace bandages that you can get at the store. So I actually didn't go to the store. I got them out of our first aid kit that we have here at the house and just wrapped my arms up and then tied it underneath. So yeah, these are literally just Ace bandages that I wrapped, and they look just fine. And they literally are just the medic ones that you can get, honestly, in the grocery store or on Amazon. I found some on Amazon too. So super simple, super easy, super cheap, which is great. I have a belt, which I used to have a thicker belt, but if you have, a lot of us women have belts, or even if, you're the man in your life has belts for his pants, you can also use that, but it's just any brown belt that you can find. And last but not least, a queen-sized bed sheet. So if you're doing this for a child, a twin size will work just fine. For me, I'm an adult, so I needed a queen, and for anybody who might be a little bit taller or anything like that, a king would probably suit you very well. So this costume literally took me less than 10 minutes to put on after I found all the pieces together, and obviously I did my hair. Super simple. I just did my hair with a little bun in the back, and she has it, I luckily just got my hair cut, so Rey kind of has shorter hair, and she has it half up, half down with a couple hairs coming out because she's super awesome and battles and all that jazz, so it just probably came out being awesome. But so yeah, the hairstyle is super simple, and if you're doing the original Rey with the 3 buns, basically you just section your hair out and then flip it under and pin it, is what I did when I did, and it was a super easy hairstyle. And if you want me to do a tutorial video on that, leave a comment in the comments below. Okay, so the base of the costume, like I said, is just stuff that we had in our house. It is just brown boots that I own, gray leggings, and a dark brown t-shirt that just happened to be my husband's, like I said before. So this is basically, if you have anything that is kind of this color palette, it's the base of the costume, and that's all you need. So the first step you're gonna do is take your sheet, and you're going to hold it long ways, and you're gonna put it all behind your back, and then you're gonna wrap 1/2 around your neck, and then you're gonna keep wrapping, and you're gonna have like a cape behind you. And the cape is gonna get just a little bit shorter, kind of cover your butt area, and then you're gonna take it and you're gonna wrap the 2 sides that you have in your hands around the front side of you, and then the back will still be kind of cape-ish, which is totally fine. And then you take your trusty brown belt, again, any thickness belt will work here. Thicker the better, but I just have this little thin one for now. And you're gonna wrap your belt around the part that is now an X in front of you, just like Rey has. And you're gonna wrap the cape, around the back and around the X that's in front of you, and tie it as tight as you can and tuck the belt in. From here, you basically see that you've made most of the costume in just that first little step. So basically just play with the crisscross in the front, so make sure it goes across your shoulders and your chest okay. Play with it to make sure it's not bubbling up anywhere, it looks the way you want to. Might take a little minute just to make sure all the material is going in the same direction you want it to go. Make sure the cape in the back is more tucked in so it's not puffing out. So it's just kind of more hidden, so you don't, when you turn around, you don't have this giant bubble cape behind you. And the next step is you're gonna take one of your ace bandages and wrap it all the way up your left arm, and then grab your other one and wrap it all the way up your right arm, and you've basically just became Ray. And like I said, all this stuff you can kind of moderate, change it, you know, make it softer, make it sharper, make it more crinkled, whatever you feel like is your perception of what is better and what looks like Ray. Feel free to do so. Like I said, this is a super easy, literally less than 10 minutes to get all the materials you need, put it on, and to make it look great. So yeah, like I said, this costume is designed to be super cheap, super easy, literally household items. Hopefully you won't have to buy anything. I haven't, both times I've done this, I did not have to buy a single thing. It was just stuff we had in the house, lying around the house. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed this costume Ray DIY for Halloween. I love being Ray, because I love Ray and I love Star Wars, and I hope that this helps you maybe make a costume for yourself or inspires you to do a DIY at-home costume for Halloween this year as well. So if you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at @BrittLarie. I'll see you real soon.